Welcome back, everybody. I'm making a quick pit stop. I have something planned for dinner tonight I've never had before. I'd like to try it, but in order to do that, I gotta hope that there's some in this barn. What we're gonna have tonight, hopefully, is some pigeon poppers over the fire. As you can tell in my voice, I'm a little sick, but we're going camping. I got my buddy Ross coming out here to meet up with me. He's gonna try helping me flush these pigeons, and if they don't want to flush, which right now I'm loading up the 20 gauge, so whoever's behind the barn, if they flush out, can shoot them with that. And if they don't want to flush, I got my 22 with some bird shot, and we can just go in the barn and shoot them out of the rafters. So I'm hoping with any luck we can get us a couple pigeons. It's absolutely beautiful out today. It's almost 45 degrees. Perfect weather to be doing this. I think a pigeon just flew over. Absolutely beautiful weather to be trying to blast some pidge. What do you want to be? Outside the barn on the back or in the barn? Shoot. I don't know how many shells we're gonna need, but hopefully all of them. Tracks from the girls and I the other day. Huh?
Trying to hear them.
Go ahead, Ross. One shot already. Ooh. Woo, woo. You guys see anything? Not one. Had to wait till I got over the cattle. I hit the other one, but it didn't go down, unfortunately. You got any more in there?
No.
Really? Well, we got one. There's dinner. Where'd he go? 3 shots, 1 pigeon. Ain't bad. 1 pidge. I was hoping for more. I'm gonna knock on this silo quick and see if any come out. Ross is back there with the shotgun now. Well, she's pretty dead out here today. I suppose it is really nice out, so pigeons are probably out and about, flying around too. Alright, Ross is gonna stay here with the gun. I'm gonna run down the road to the next farm and see if I can potentially jump some of these pigeons off their silo. He's got the GoPro on, so hopefully we can get some good video. Hopefully, with any luck, we can get at least a couple more. Otherwise, if not, we'll get a little sample. I can see some sitting up there. Go to the other barn. Lady's very nice. She's going into this barn, yell up into the silos, hopefully kick some of these pigeon off here. There we go. Fly to Ross. I'm kind of going that way. Get out of here. Ross just shot. Yeah, it's beautiful out. Yeah, thank you again. I don't mean to bug you. Let's see, I bet you should hear a gunshot in a second. Hopefully. Hopefully he's hitting them. Damn it. I suck. Get out of there.
talking back to me.
Get out of there! Get out of there!
Oh yeah, a whole bunch of them.
Damn things. Hey, you got a lot of mice and rats around here?
No.
Suppose the cats probably take care of them pretty good.
Then the chickens. The chickens will kill them all.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is going on a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I need to make sure I got a decent amount of pigeon tonight for my food. And that lady was awesome. She literally just gave me permission to actually shoot over there. So I'm gonna see how many Ross has. If I have enough for supper tonight, I'm gonna call it good. Otherwise, we might go over there and try to blast a couple more. Oh, he's got at least one. How many you get? One?
But then I was shooting left-handed because the sun was coming in on this side and I had to squint it.
Yeah.
Then I'd go to shoot and just be blurry as all hell.
Where's the other one then?
I knocked it down here and then I pulled the towels and then into the shed.
Dinner right there. Big old pup. Oh, yeah. All right, well, we're back here. Lady said we can shoot him right here. Number 3. Alrighty. Well, we got some dinner. Ended up with 3 of them. Should have had more. A couple of them kept flying after we hit them. But either way, I have 6 dove breasts to work with, or pigeon breasts, sorry. So that's perfect. And I'm on my way to camp now. It sucks it is a little bit later than I wanted to get there. I will definitely be doing some cooking in the dark, but gotta get a fire going. I got wood earlier from the gas station, and I'm on my way to the campground, so hopefully get there right about last light, and yeah, get a fire going and make some pigeon poppers, so stay tuned. Unfortunately, due to the GoPro acting up a little bit, don't have the best video from today. Well, that's a serious bummer. The campground is closed, I guess, due to construction until further notice, so I gotta figure out a different plan. That's pretty cool. Seen this little guy on the road. Don't see them every day. Well, I ended up driving another 25 minutes or so to another campground that I'm very familiar with, which is not a big deal, but it's supposed to get down to like 23 degrees tonight. Hopefully I don't have any issues in the morning with my truck starting like last time, because that was quite the rodeo. I should be fine. I'll start it off and on tonight too and just make sure. I don't know if my battery's slowly going or what's going on, but it started fine since, so knock on wood, we should be good. But I am running low on light for sure now, so when I get there I'm just gonna pretty much just get everything out and quickly set up as fast as I can, get a fire going while I still have a little bit of light. Just pulling into the campground, trying to find a site. This is gonna be our site right here. The fire pit's nice and open. Perfect. And they actually plowed it, which is impressive. Less snow to worry about. Perfect. Unfortunately, there is no cooking grate. That does suck. I wonder if this site over here has a grate. Check it out. Somebody must have been camping here recently. And no grate. If this day couldn't get any worse with all the obstacles. I tell you what, this has been one of the most difficult starts to a video I've ever had while filming. I ended up driving around. I did find a couple sites that had grates, so I ended up finding a new site. I'm gonna drive over there and set up shop there where I initially planned to go tonight. The first campground, there was no electricity. But since I came here and they have electricity for like $2 more than their normal standard non-electric sites, I ended up paying the price for electricity. So I wasn't gonna, but I will tonight now. I'll have my little heater. I'll plug it in again. Just why not? I mean, if I'm already paying for it, I might as well use it. But I wasn't gonna initially. But since I'm here, I'm gonna take advantage of that. But yeah, I'm gonna drive to the site and get a fire going ASAP because I'm running really low on light, and start cutting up these pigeons. There we are. All right. Got electric right here. Fire ring with the grate. Perfect. This will work. Got some turkey tracks coming through here. All right, I'm just gonna brush these guys out really quick. To throw all these feathers in the fire. All right, decent amount of meat for a little bird. Throw him back in my truck. All right, I got the power box out here for some extra light. I'm gonna start prepping these poppers. Got the bacon, got our breasts, jalapenos, aluminum foil to go over the grate, and then cream cheese. Sucks I don't have any good way to wash my hands afterwards. I'm gonna have to use the snow. Hopefully that'll help get most of the juice off. Make sure to be careful when I pee later. Got the cream cheese in there. I'm gonna place that piece of breast right on top. I'm gonna grab some Slappy Mama from my truck. Then we're just gonna wrap it in bacon and stick a toothpick through it. Lastly, our bacon. And I apologize, guys, if I sound a little stuffy. I am. I've had a cold for a while now. I can't seem to get rid of it. Go. Something like that. I hope these are good. Went through a lot of work just to get the pigeons and just everything we've gone through today. All the obstacles I've had to go through today. I'm hoping it's worth it. All right, them are looking good. Just need the fire to burn down just a little bit more, get a nice bed of coals, and then flip the grate over, put some aluminum foil on, and we'll be cooking before too long. Got my truck on just for some extra light to help me see right now. And yeah, I hope these are good. Throw a little bit extra on there, give it a little bit more zang. Crisping up a little bit. It's just what we want. Got an owl hooting in the background. Alright folks, these are looking to be about done and they are looking absolutely bomb. I hope that I hope they're good. I'm starving, so I'm definitely ready to eat. Alright, well, I've had about enough sitting out here turning these things. I think I'm just going to pull them and hope for the best. They got to be done. They've been on there for a while. Got a couple left on here. Pull them off and we'll hop in the truck. They smell really good. Already got the Reflectix up. Got the heater going in here. Yeah, it's feeling nice. Set these in the truck. Throw this last piece of wood on. No sense in keeping it. Power box in the truck. Charge my phone tonight. I'm crawling in. Well, I smell like a bonfire now, but it's all right. At least we got to have a fire. Turn these lights on. Nice and toasty in here. Take my sweatshirt off. All right, here we are. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Cut this one. Make sure everything's cooked thoroughly enough. Sorry for my sniffling. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Here we go, first bite. Holy. What? That is amazing. Wow. I can tell you right now, I'll be hunting a lot more pigeons. I'm blown away. That is delicious. Very tender too. That's mind-blowing. Oh my gosh, really? It's beautiful. Mmm. I honestly cannot believe how good this is. That is some of the better, like honestly it could be the best, besides turkey I guess, some of the best wild game for bird I've ever had. That is, wow, that's amazing. Wow. I think I left too many seeds in that one. That one got me. I'm beyond impressed. That was well worth sitting out there cooking it. Going and asking that very generous lady if we can knock on her silos. It all worked out. But that bite right there was pretty hot. Wow, my mouth is lit up right now. If you guys ever had a pigeon, let me know in the comments below, please. And if so, how'd you prepare it? Ooh. Very good. Anyways, I'm gonna pick away at these, and then I'm gonna grab my tablet, figure out a movie to watch. I'm gonna seal up the front of my dash a little bit with some more clothes, because there's quite a big gap. And yeah, we'll go from there. Not again. I don't know why, but this thing is not pushing heat. It's on, but it's just blowing air, not heat. Not exactly sure why. It's now 8 o'clock and it's 35 degrees outside, so absolutely beautiful out. Perfect for truck camping. And if the heater doesn't work, oh well, I'll be perfectly fine without it, but I just figured since we had electricity, I'd use it. But yeah, my mouth still got a little heat. Probably could have done without the Slap Your Mama seasoning, but I'm gonna find my tablet here, get on Netflix, pick out a movie, and just kick back and enjoy the rest of the night. It's been a day, that's for sure. I just can't believe how good them poppers were. Probably, honestly, could have been the best poppers I've ever had. It's crazy. Not a whole lot of meat on them little suckers, but they are tasty little morsels. I'll give them that. Especially when they eat grain all day. After our last go, I made sure not to forget the jump pack this time. Like I said, I think we'll be fine in the morning. It's supposed to be like 25 degrees out, so it's a lot better than last time. We were in -10, but yeah. Anyways, I got it with, so that's reassuring. And just like that, my heater's working again. It's blasting hot air. I'm not sure what's going on. For the movie tonight, I'm gonna watch The Other Guys. I don't know if I've ever actually seen it with Will Ferrell and Mark Wahlberg, but it looks like it's a pretty good flick. So I'm gonna turn that on, kick back, get comfy, and turn some of these lights off. These puck lights are pretty nice for convenience. Oh yeah. All right, here we go.
On that line, live dancing and Highsmith.
All right, this movie is definitely goofy, but I'm getting pretty darn tired. Starting to flutter my eyes a little bit. I'm trying to stay awake, but I got my alarm set on my phone for 5:30 in the morning. So anyways, if I do happen to fall asleep, I will see you guys bright and early. Good night, y'all. Oh, good morning, everybody. Voila. She started, baby. We are good. The movie was good last night. Funny. I didn't mean to crash, but I was exhausted. And now I don't mean to rush, but I gotta get home. Got stuff going on. A little bit of condensation, not too bad. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. A little windy. Grab our foil here. Take care of that when we get home. Cord, and then we are off. Time to head home. Nice Diet Coke to start the morning. Let's hit the road. 42 degrees, not even 7 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be a gorgeous day. All right, everybody. I had a time crunch this morning, so I had to pack up camp and get on the road, but Lauren's got to be to work at 8, it's 6:50. I got about another 15 minutes till I'm home, so I'll be home in plenty of time for her to go to work. And then didn't have to deal with the dead battery this morning, so that's a big bonus. And I'm gonna do some with my daughters today. It's supposed to be almost 50 degrees, which is insane. But overall, I had a great time, great trip in the truck. And the pigeon poppers turned out phenomenal. From now on, I will definitely be making a lot more pigeon because they were very good. And I recommend you guys trying them as well if you guys hunt pigeons. I'm excited because the weather's finally turning from negatives to beautiful temps. So my voice is still a little rough, as you can tell. Can't seem to kick this cold, but overall, thank you guys so very much for coming along. If you made it this far in the video, if you could please give it a like, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe for future uploads. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next adventure. Love y'all, and take care.